Hi folks, I'd like to show you how I wasted some time today creating this Excel animation. So here you can see style is set to 0. I know that doesn't mean anything yet. What happens if you run this macro that says animate blank cells? You get this effect, random colors. What happens if you change style to 1 and rerun? And see it's like a waterfall effect. Duration is how long it runs for. Make it 2. And it's a right to left effect. 3, you can guess that it's going to be bottom top. Let's see if we can make this a little bit brighter. 60 to 8. I don't know if that's going to do anything actually. Let's make it 20 to 4. Let's see what that does. Bottom to up. And as you'd expect, it's going to be left to right. Left to right. So what happens if you do 5? Right, so let's say southeast. And 6, it's going to be southwest. And you can pretty much guess what the other two are. So what happens if you don't do this? If you don't do this, then it's going to use whatever the actual selection is. That's what you're going to get. That's why you prefer to put those in. So that's going to be the lower left and upper right, right? So lower left is going to be E20, upper right is U5. And that's about it. So you can see how that works. What step is if you set step, then it's going to ensure that whatever random value it picks is going to be a multiple of that. So if we do, let's say 0 to 250, and we make the step 25 and see what happens. It looks like that. Not very pretty with diagonal scrolling, but if you did one, maybe it looks prettier. Let's see. Okay. No, no. So now how do you do this from scratch? That's what I'm going to show you next. So let's close. So what you would do is you have to go to the GitHub. That's this link here. I can put that in the uh, I'll put that in the description. You just pick this file, animate.bas, and then if there's a way to select everything, copy raw file. Okay, you can do that. Okay, so come here and close this one. Don't save. And start a new one. Empty file. Open up Visual Basic. Oh, before that, you have to put in, unfortunately, you do have to put in this stuff that you saw at the left. The user interface is not great, but we'll get there. This is book. Let's come here and paste this. Okay. It's all from ChatGPT, as you might expect. And then here you have to put in this stuff. And let's do the same thing. Let's do a full range of red, 250. Let's do no green at all. Let's do 5. And then let's do blue. That's 200 to 225. Let's do a duration of 6 seconds. Step of 25 and then style of 1. Let's leave this blank for now. All right, let's see what this gives us. Okay, nice waterfall. Right here, and let's do the same old range we had before. And then you can that was let's do E20 to U5, right? And then somewhere in the middle, we'll put E20. E20 is here. U5 is here. So somewhere in the middle, we want to do a merge And yeah, so let's do that. And, and now 5 to 20. You don't have to. Yeah, you don't have to, because you've done this. So now if you just run the animation, the reason for doing that is, as you probably saw, is if you don't do this, then what happens? If you select a range, it stays selected, right? So that makes the colors look not as nice, and you see the white isn't white here. So that's the reason we want to do something. E20, U5. Oh, okay, that should be. And then use the macro to get rid of the lines and run that. There you go. So hope you like it. Hope you find a use for it. You never know. Bye.